I'm Nico Spears. I go to high school at Gina High School, and I'm in the welding program here at Rod Brady. My counselor came in one day during the high school and just started talking to us about the Jump Start program. I go Monday through Friday up there at the high school, and I come here Monday through Thursday, and I come here and normally stay until about 5 o'clock. I'm going to finish high school this year, and I've already started the welding program, so it's going to shave roughly about 2 semesters off after high school, and that I'll be already done here. And I'll continue to come here to go ahead and finish it out so I can be a welder on the offshore. So it helps out a lot and makes me able to go out there into the workforce a lot faster. Everybody around here would give their shirt off their back for you, even if you're a stranger. They're all friendly and nice, and they'll help you out if you need it. I love my teacher. He helps us out hands-on and everything like that, and he'll sit down one-on-one because it's such a good program and we have that kind of community that sits there and backs you up. My parents were kind of a little rocky at first. It took about a month of talking to them for them to see that I actually want to do it and that I love it. And after that, they help me in any way they can. I come home after I get done here and talk to them about it, and I'm moving up fast, and it's fun. And they see that I'm happy, and I think it makes them pretty proud that I'm doing what I love.